Hello, it's Wednesday the 29th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now, UK inflation is 3.8%, nearly double the 2% target, and many feel that further rate cuts are unlikely this year. A Reuters poll suggested 87% of economists expect no change at the MPC meeting next week, holding rates at 4%. For what it's worth, the futures market are suggesting a 58% chance of a rate cut in December. Farage has been on, copying straight from the Trump playbook. He has called for curbing Bank of England independence, arguing the MPC has failed on inflation since 1997. A headline-grabbing pantomime villain is one thing, but where he continues to outperform Starmer, the media probably need to dig in a little bit more to his bold claims and see how they stand up to scrutiny. As we've seen with Starmer, by the time he's in number 10, it might be too late. The Bank of England is launching the Market Participants Group, aka the MPG. This is a new forum of city bigwigs who will meet with the Monetary Policy Committee, aka the MPC. The first quarterly discussion between the MPG and the MPC will be a week after the rate decision. There is an important change of protocol though. The minutes will be published at 7:30 the following morning rather than 2 weeks later. That is to address concerns of tradable inside information floating around for 2 weeks if they didn't change. Bravo indeed. Over in the US, consumer confidence fell for the third month in a row to the lowest level since April. This was put down to labour market worries and cost of living pressure. The Fed meeting starts today. There is a 94% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut tomorrow as focus shifts away from fighting inflation and towards supporting employment, which may see a series of cuts to follow. Trump's been on. He managed to make time in his Asia trip to call Powell incompetent as the shortlist for the next Fed chair was released. He also hinted that a trade truce with China might be on the table ahead of his meeting with President Xi. In the market, the dollar index pulled back to around 98.55 and we kick off this morning around 132.25 against the dollar, 113.65 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 116.35 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.